Okay.
So I always tell guys that when you're pushing off the tires, you're great. As soon as you want to put your hand between the tire, don't. That's going to hurt all your ligaments, tendons, you can crack little bones, everything else. Not to mention you lose accuracy and a lot of power. That's where you're going to reach for your tire tower instead. It has this piece that the more silvery piece is a piece that Daniel Grom invented, and it really makes it a great tool. So it's going to feel like the rod's still in your hand, but none of the power, none of the pressure or anything is going to be in your hand. So you're just going to set it on the tire wherever you need it, and now you're leveraging off the tire, and there's just incredible power and control no matter where you put it, and it just stays in your hand, so you're moving wherever you need it on there, and it's going to stay there and give you just a tremendous amount of power. Doesn't matter if you're coming down near the face or up on the tread, you're going to get the accuracy and the power push you need. And then it comes with 2 more extensions also. So you simply spin the base off and put it to whatever length you need. So if you're working on a big truck side, you can put 1 or both of the extensions on there. And some guys even buy extra extensions on top of that to make it a lot taller. But now you can see you've got a great big base for your bigger trucks and stuff like that. So you can see how much power you have and accuracy. You can hold it different ways and again move around where you need on these openings.
Let's do some bunch of pushes. Oh, I like that grip. And I'll try to do like the, yep. I'll do a couple like more like hand positions or whatever like you were doing earlier. Yep. Okay. Alright. Alright, now just take your hand completely out of it.
I can show that.